Phenix Optics Intelligent Control BU is located in Hangzhou, China, where it is famous as Heaven on Earth. With great support from Phenix Optics Intelligent Control BU, developed rapidly and soundly these years. Intelligent Control BU insists on focus on customers, care for people, and based on marketing demand, creates more value for customers. With improved management systems like ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, IATF 16949, etc., and intelligent manufacturing systems like SAP, MES, Intelligent Control BU builds a standardized, efficient, and intelligent business platform. With advanced development laboratory, intelligent storage facilities, SMT, (3D SPI), AOI, X-ray, AITHT, wave soldering, automatic potting, automatic conformal coating, etc., which make of a complete manufacturing service chain. Intelligent Control BU provides customers product development and production. With nearly 30 years design and manufacturing experience, Intelligent Control BU commits to R&D and manufacturing of controllers for home appliance, industry, medical devices, automotive electronics and motors, etc. Through constant breakthrough and innovation, it gathers superior force to develop IoT, providing high-quality products for intelligent control industry. On the way keeping forward, Phenix Optics Intelligent Control BU always adheres to pursuit high quality. Years after years, Intelligent Control BU grows more and more mature and continuously wins high-class partners. Phenix Optics delivers not only quality, but also service to be customer intimate and better Phenix.